Point 10, we get to solve multi-step number stories involving fractions. The reason we're doing this is because we want to divide fractions in real-world scenarios. You're going to start by looking on page 255 for the table. This table is going to give you all sorts of great information that you'll be using on solving your problems on 255 and 256. We'll start with a problem that's not on the page today. It says Sarah burns 300 calories singing. How many hours did she sing for? Is this more or less than 90 minutes? So I'm identifying some of the big ideas. I'm understanding that she's burning 300 calories, and I need to find out how long it took her to burn those 300 calories. And then at the end, I'm looking for whether or not it was more or less than 90 minutes today. So I want to go back to the table to get some information. So I'm looking for how long it takes in hours to burn 100 calories. When it's singing, I'm seeing here, singing, it takes 5/6 of an hour to burn 100 calories. So I'll go back to I want to write that down. It takes 5/6 of an hours to burn 100 calories. But I'm not looking for 100 calories. I'm looking for how long it took her to burn 300 calories. So I know I'm going to have to take that 100. I'd multiply it by 3 to get to 300. So the idea here is that I'm taking this 5/6, multiplying it by 3. Of course, I'll just take that 5/6 and move it down here. 5/6. And I want to multiply it by 3 to find out how long it took. I'll multiply the numerators. 5 times 3 is 15. And then that denominator stays the same. So it takes her 15/6 of an hour to burn 300 calories. I want to convert that. I can see that 6 goes into 15 evenly 2 times. There is 3 left over after that. So it takes her 2 3/6, or if you're feeling really froggy, 2 1/2 hours to burn 300 calories while singing. Now I want to make that comparison. Is it more or less than 90 minutes? Turns out that it takes her more, because we know that 2 1/2 is greater than 90 minutes, which equals 1 hour and 1/2. Today you're going to work on 255 and 256 while you're solving multi-step number stories with fractions. 257 is your math boxes today. Your home link today is 7.10. Good luck. I don't know if I can click it.